Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're cooking burgers. Yesterday we cooked pizza on our homemade pizza oven, but I guess we took the top off and now it's a skillet. Look at that.
Burgers today.
What's in the first one? Oh shoot. Alright, we got them all flipped over by about
4 more minutes now.
There she is with all the charred boards from yesterday.
Maybe another half a minute. Start getting the cheese ready.
Putting the cheese on, Knox just dropped another piece of cheese. We got all the cheese on, look at that. Fire.
Don't stack them.
We're picking
Oh, look at that. Yeah, baby.
all the burgers off.
So some people can start eating.
Yeah. You can take them upstairs, people can eat.
They're done. Looking pretty good. I guess if you're speaking of watermelon, we got a watermelon growing right here. Actually, 2 watermelon seeds. This is Trips. Judd's, nothing. Mine, nothing. And Knox's, absolutely none. By the way, if you didn't watch yesterday, or whenever we were cooking the pizza, it like kind of all got caught on fire. That's why all the boards are charred. Well, I guess this is what we're eating.
Ketchup.
A burger cooked on an outside skillet and some watermelon. Look at that, perfectly well done. We got the second batch done. Well, Knox like it, Knox likes it, Judd likes it, so I don't. It's pretty good. Have you even tried your burger? Do you like it? I do.
This is burger.
After all, burgers are good.
No.